last holiday, I took a trip to the USA. Well, I did fine. I had a very good time. Guess what happened to me? I met a girl, and 1, 2, 3, I fell in love and got to heaven above. No, no, I never had a girl like you. Mademoiselle Lynette. No, no, I never had a girl like you. It was so nice that even today I see Ninette. Can't get her out of my head. In my next holiday, I'll take a trip to the USA, and